Yes, good day everyone. I go by the name Skywet. Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, as an affiliate marketer, one of the things you need to be successful is to get real and organic lead for your site or for your link. So that's where I come in, because I have a software which I developed. I'm a software developer. I developed a software which I've been using for a while now and has been giving me excellent results. Yeah, this is the Clickbank group, one of my students that got my software, and I started earning already. As you can see on the screen, and if I can check my previous video, you see the account of my student and my home account too, which I'll be displaying and I'll be showing as proof for my software, because this software is really earning me a lot, and I want to share my knowledge and the opportunity with people that know the value of excellent results like this. Yeah, so if you want to get the software today, which I will also give you the complete video guide which will teach you how to use the software step by step, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on my Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Thank you.